guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and for today's quick tip, I'm going to show you a really easy way to keep your cake from drying out. So what we're going to be using is a simple syrup, and just like it says in the name, it's very easy to make. So all you're going to do for this is you're going to use equal parts water and equal parts sugar. So I used 1 cup water and 1 cup sugar, and you bring it to a boil and you boil it for a few minutes. It's very forgiving, so it can be for 2 minutes, it can be for 5 minutes. The longer you boil it, the thicker it's going to be. So I have my simple syrup here. It's important that you bring it to room temperature. And what this is gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the cake layers, and it's gonna keep the cake from drying out. That's like the worst, right, when you have a dry cake. So super easy. All I'm gonna do is brush a light coating of the simple syrup onto the cake layer and allow it to soak in. And then I'm going to frost it and decorate it as usual. So you typically do want to allow this to soak into the cake for about an hour or two. You can certainly do it overnight as well. So just brush it, and your cake is going to taste amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's quick tip of the day.